Where the lake meets land and the north wind blows, there's a town that raised us that we all know. Riverton lights in the evening glow, a place you don't leave, you just learn to grow. When the nights ran long and the weather turned, when a worried lamp still waited to burn, there was one name folks trusted true: Doc Thompson coming through. In Riverton, when the lights burn low, through rain or ice or drifting snow, there was one man folks could turn to. Any hour, any road he knew, with a doctor's bag and a heart so strong, Doc Thompson answered Riverton's call. From Riverton out where the shoreline bends, down to Hickle Island and back again, across to Leadwin, Washoe Bay, Arna's roads at break of day, horse or sled when the roads ran out, Cold Lake wind, no second doubt. Didn't matter where, didn't matter how, he was a doctor then, he's a legend now. In Riverton, when the lights burned low, when the river froze and the north wind blew, from harbor roads to island views, Doc Thompson came when they needed you, with a steady hand and a calm resolve. Doc Thompson answered Riverton's call. They saw the miles he carried alone, the midnight knocks, the weight he bore, so the town passed a hat around to give him wheels on frozen ground. That old car rolled through snow and rain, a thank you written in grease and grain. Every mile it helped him go was Riverton saying we know. 1922 he set roots down, built his life and his name in town. 50 years, no turning back, every road knew his track. Yeah, Riverton, when the nights were long, when hope felt thin but heart stayed strong, from Hickle shore to Leadwin's line, from Washoe Bay through changing times. If you're here today, it's partly true, Doc Thompson answered the call for you. Every tree and every road, every story handed down, still carries more than memory, it carries gratitude.